रियलिटी चेक जो लगता है वो होता नहीं है, एक बार जाके आप बस कंसल्ट कर लो.
Yeah, like even a guy, who was living in with his girlfriend. नाम चूज करो. दीपिका नहीं. अच्छा, दीपिका तो गर्लफ्रेंड का नाम.
हाँ, गाय का नाम दिलजीत.
हाँ ठीक है, दीपिका.
ओके.
दीपिका दिलजीत. ओके. So Diljit is married to क्या करे, सिमरन. I like that name, Simran. Okay. Now Diljit thought that he can play the field with both of them. Came to me and he said, I put some money on Deepika's name. Simran तो है ही, so उसको भी थोड़े से पैसे दे दूंगा, तो फटाफट मेरा डिवोर्स हो जाएगा. I'll move in with Deepika full time. And this marriage is over. I said, what about the children? He said, वो तो सिमरन संभाल लेगी. So ठीक है. I said, and क्या प्लानिंग क्या है दीपिका के साथ? So he said, नहीं मैम, बस 6-8 महीने में फटाफट शादी, and then we start our own family. I said, so what about सिमरन? उसको कैसे सेटल करोगे? मान जाएगी डिवोर्स की? क्या है, खत्म कर देता हूँ ना मैटर. ऐसे नहीं होता. ऐसे मानेगी वो कि नहीं? He said, नहीं मानेगी तो नहीं, जबरदस्ती एक्स पार्टी करवा लूंगा मैम. He said, ऐसे कोई एक्स पार्टी डिवोर्स नहीं होता. It is a very long procedure. Again, reality check. An ex-party divorce happens, but it's a long procedure.
Correct.
I had somebody, she's come to me, she's 52 years old. And she said, ma'am, बस अब मैं थक गई हूँ divorces. Divorces ही चाहिए मुझे. I said, divorces ही मतलब? She said, एक divorce चाहिए. I said, okay. And she said divorces. So she says, and then I understood why. Because her husband had been having one affair after the other, after the third. She said, ma'am, I got married at 21. Now my children are big. Everybody says big. They don't say they've grown up. And they says, ये तो मैं divorces बोल के थक गई हूँ, but अब मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए. She says, I cannot put up with it anymore. So you see this, it's okay for men to cheat. I'll be a Casanova. I'll be respected because of that. It's okay, she has to put up with it. No, dude, times have changed.
So, abusive marriage, cheating. Third thing.
Okay, cheating is infidelity. Okay.
Yeah.
That is for both. I'm giving the guy's example because more cases come to me.
Fair enough. What I'm asking you is generic, which goes for either or. It's not compromisable whether you're a man.
Cheating.
Financial cheating. What is exactly that?
Financial cheating is like this. Okay, I had 2-3 cases जो मेरे सामने आए हैं. ओके, क्या नाम देंगे?
फाइनेंशियल चीटिंग में एक का नाम रखते हैं डॉली, because it sounds like a currency.
हाँ.
एंड एक का नाम रखते हैं राज.
Raj. So in Dolly and Raj's case, I got a case, okay, where the wife was getting all the properties धीरे put on her name. Okay. And Raj didn't know about it. Okay. I'll tell you how he didn't know about it. Okay. Every time something came up, she would just say, just sign these papers. ठीक है ना, I'm looking at the office. ये जरा sign कर दो. And after 10-15 years of marriage, you don't think that much. कोई मांगा sign कर दिया. Okay. And he kept on signing off all the properties, not realizing Dolly is also quite educated. Okay. I won't say what was her profession. Okay. And by the end of it, Dolly is controlling all the finances. And they're still married because now Raj is saying, where is he going to get the money from? Including the house that they are staying in, everything now belongs to Dolly.
That is financial cheating.
That is financial cheating. And it's not like men are not doing it.
I'm sure.
Men do 2 types of financial cheating. Firstly, the poor wives. Okay, let's call the wife Sunanda. Okay. Sunanda didn't know that her husband, the daughter of Sunanda, when she turned 21 and she joined the father's family business, she said, Mama, Papa is worth 300 crores. He was giving Sunanda about 50,000 a month and saying, Papa, your expenses are not ending only. Sunanda never knew. And Sunanda is giving tuitions. He just never ever let it up. The daughter came and said, and you know how the daughter also found out? Because the father said, join the family business, so on and so forth. Okay, and then the daughter's checking all the bookings. She was in charge of accounts. She said, yeah, all these romantic places my father is going to, what's going on? And she found out Lake Como, 6 lakhs a night. This, 2 lakhs a night. She said, where is all this money coming from? And then she started doing a back check and she said, oh my God, father's company is worth 300 crores. None of us ever knew. And my mother is trying to save every penny. You never got any money. That is one type of financial cheating. The other type of financial cheating that I encountered was where the husband, a lot of times the husband's net worth, let's call him Parik.
Parik.
Okay.
Parik sound only rich.
Parik sound. Parik sound, Gujarati, like, paise becha raha hu, stock market mein paise banaya. So, and maybe my name is in that, remember that list which was there? So many lists came out. Okay. And Parik is worth 5,000 crores. Okay. And his wife, Sunita. Okay. So Sunita didn't know what's going on. Okay. And Parik has been doing all these investments in Sunita's name forever and ever and ever. Sunita is also the trustee of a 500 crore fund which he doesn't know about. Sunita just gets an American Express card. Okay. Parik pays off that money. He gives her a kharchi of 50,000 a month. And rest everything is paid for. So Sunita is clueless after 15 years of marriage. Till Parik finds out something and he wants a divorce. And then Sunita realizes, oh my God, all this money was going through me. So actually in income tax returns, I'm very, very rich. And Parik never told me. And then when he found out about this and he wanted to file for divorce, very happily he's getting the signatures done from Sunita to transfer the power of attorney back to him. So he took over for a lot of things, including joint properties. Sunita is signing because she's always signed the papers.
Wow.
So that is financial cheating.
लोग कैसे इतना चालाक कैसे हो सकते हैं? मेरा दिमाग उतना चले ही ना.
And then they're unhappy. I just feel कि आपको वो 5,000 crores देख के, if Parik was a happy man, I would have said it's worth it. But then they're not even happy. So maybe that kind of cheating doesn't work.
I'm just thinking कि लोग इतना दिमाग कैसे चल सकता है? पैसे कैसे इतना दिमाग बिगाड़ सकता है एक इंसान का कि हर तरीका सोच लेता है इंसान के कैसे
वो
मैं अपने पास रखूं. क्या करोगे यार? Your relation with money is only till your last breath.
Absolutely.
तो
But people don't understand that. So it's this thing, this sort of a thing. So, these 2-3 reasons.
Other things which, ये अगर हो रहा है तो बस walk out.
And that acknowledgement.
Acknowledgement, of course.
If there is a complete breakdown of communication, you have nothing to say. And you can't acknowledge each other. And if you're so harsh in your language to each other, it's not okay. People say, no, it's okay. I've stayed with this person for 30 years. Well, I don't think it's okay.
Actually, it isn't.
It isn't. And you're just avoiding your house. You just want to get out. I don't think